If you spend any time on YouTube, you've probably seen the Fender Play commercials. The Fender Play has been around for a while now, but I've decided to make a review about it for you guys, just to let you know what I think about it and if it's a good buy in 2023. So there are a few things that I really like about Fender Play. And one of those is the teaching and the layout of the course. It's a really good layout. They have a bunch of different units for you to go through, and if you're a beginner guitarist just starting out to learn, this is the perfect course for you. The teaching is really informative. They have like 10 different teachers, honestly probably more than that, teaching bass, ukulele, guitar, and who knows, maybe they'll even add more instruments in the future. But the teaching's really good, and the layout of the course is amazing. They have tons of songs that you can go through a library of and learn, and they just keep adding more and more things every day. Another thing that's really cool is they make collections of songs to learn. So maybe it's like Christmas time and you want to learn some Christmas songs. Well, Fender Play will have a catalog of Christmas songs to play. You can go through, they'll have the tutorial, they'll have all the tabs right there below the video that you can learn, and it's great. They make collections, and they also do live streams with certain artists. Now, the live streams aren't necessarily like actually live, but it was a live stream that they did with an artist. You know, I remember one a little while ago they did with Corey Wong, where they went through a bunch of Corey Wong songs. They had the tutorial. They interviewed him about playing rhythm guitar, and it was really informative and really fun to watch and learn from him. Another really cool feature that they have is this thing called streaks. So pretty much, if you log in, I think it's like 4 times a week, maybe it's 3 times a week, and you're on there practicing for more than 15 minutes, something like that, you're entered into an automatic giveaway each week to win either a guitar or a ukulele or a bass or like an amplifier or something like that. And so every week, if you get your streak, you're entered into a drawing where you could potentially win a free guitar. And finally, the last positive about this course is that they have an app that goes with it. If maybe you don't like doing it on your computer, maybe you're somewhere else and you're like, have your ukulele with you, maybe you're out on the beach, you can pull up Fender Play on your phone and watch a video on how to play any song you want. So it's really cool how they have an app that goes with it. Now let's move on the less positive things about this course. So there are a few things that just don't work with Fender Play. One thing that I just don't like is that it's just built for beginners. When I first got Fender Play, I was hoping, like, as an intermediate advanced guitarist, I was hoping that, like, there'd be some more advanced features that I could learn, or some more intermediate features, but it's really just built for beginner guitarists. And finally, one more thing about the tabs. The tabs for the songs and the tabs for the guitar riffs they play, like I said before, are all for beginners. There's no intermediate selection. So it's just very simplified chords, not even the full song at sometimes. You know, if you're trying to learn, let's say, the riff to Carry On Wayward Son by Kansas, they'll just teach you the first beginner riff, the da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, that riff, but there's no other part of the riff of the song. There's no other good part of the song that they teach. They don't teach the solo or any other part of that. No, they have the chords and they have the one riff, and that's it. So they're definitely missing some things with the intermediate advanced crowd, but for beginners, this is a 5-star course, and I highly recommend it. If you're a beginner that has no experience with guitar and is looking to go from the beginning to the top, this course is perfect for you. Now, it's about a 2-star course for an advanced player and maybe a 3-star course for an intermediate. It's just not made for intermediates or advanced. Now, like I said, there are a few things like the Corey Wong thing that they did that was more geared toward intermediate players, but still though, the riffs to his songs they were teaching were just the beginning simple riffs, and they didn't even teach you some of his more advanced songs. So I hope you got something out of this video. I hope this helped you decide if you want to buy Fender Play or not. If you do, drop a comment up below. I'd love to see how many people you think this course is for you. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you all on the flip. Have a great day.